Hey guys, it's Aidette. Today I'm going to be doing a little spin and twist on what I usually do for my get ready with me's. So today I'm doing a day out with my girls, get ready with me, but today I'm also having you guys pick out my outfit, and then I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my makeup with it depending on what I decide to wear. So today's video is sponsored by shoedazzle. I love shoedazzle. Me and my mom have been using them for a long time. They were created in 2009 and it is super cool because it's a website where you can personally pick out different items that you would wear, and it curates a whole closet for the things that shoedazzle thinks that you would like to wear. So it's literally personalized for you to shop. So I'm going to show you guys a little run through of how to work the actual website, and while I will be telling you guys a few little facts about shoedazzle. So right before we get into the demo, I'm going to tell you guys verbally of how it actually works so you guys don't have any type of confusion once I'm showing you guys. So what you do once you go onto shoedazzle.com is you first take a quick style quiz, which is very fun for fashion recommendations. It makes everything completely personalized for you. On top of that, just so you can get out of your comfort zone, you get to pick out from 1,000 different styles. And then once you're ready with all your items that you want, you can check out, and you can either check out as guest or you can check out as VIP. And if you do check out with VIP, you do get exclusive offers like 30 to 50% off regular priced items. And if that wasn't already enough for you, you also get free shipping on orders over $39. So before I get into the juicy stuff, make sure to click in the link down below if you guys are interested on shoedazzle's offer for 70% off your first purchase, and you can also get your first pair of shoes for as low as $10. How crazy, I know. So make sure you guys click in the link down below if you guys are interested. And now let's get into the little tutorial on how to work with shoedazzle. Shoedazzle was created in 2009 and it was made for personalizing exactly what you would like for your fashion to your shoes, which every girl wants. It just narrows down things and makes everything 10 times easier. And also they are always on trend with fashion and shoes at an irresistible price, super cheap all the time. They're chic, inclusive, and super extroverted. Shoedazzle is amazing for any fashion forward woman who loves fashion, especially shoes, aka me. They're also great for trying something new or experimenting with your look, which, hello, always super fun to do. And of course it was designed for any woman that's classic, edgy, feminine, glam, boho, etc. So of course it goes along for any woman out there. And the best part, it is a personalized experience, so every woman gets their own showroom each month with items based on her own personal style. And also shoedazzle will be your go-to for the latest style info. They offer emails and blog posts highlighting what's hot now, how to wear the different trends, and more, so you are always in the know. And of course, now for the outfits. So I'm going to show you guys 3 different options that I can possibly wear today. So this is the first option here. I am wearing this tan 2-piece. There's some buttons that go down the top, long sleeves, very nice and fitted. And of course, the skirt. I love this tone on my personal skin tone. Goes along with anyone. It's a short mini skirt and it's just a very simple, fun, and easy piece. And then as for the shoes, of course, I had to step out in some gorgeous pumps right here. So this is the pair that I decided to go with. They are just a beautiful crisp white color, and then they do have that gold in the back. With a gold in the back, it makes you look like you're wearing super expensive designer shoes, but in reality you got these for an amazing deal. Also keep in mind that these shoes are specifically only designed in-house with shoedazzle, so these are exclusive and you can't find them anywhere else. Oh my goodness guys, this is the next outfit. I love pink, so you guys know that I love this outfit. This is a super bright neon pink button-down dress. It is so gorgeous. You can make this a little bit more conservative if you like, because you can button it all the way up, but I like mine to be a little bit more free and girly, I would say. So these here are the heels. They are just some pretty strappy nude heels. These are amazing because these are literally basics and a staple piece in your shoe collection because it will go with everything. Literally also a neon dress. So look how this is just seamless, super bright, and then you have this beautiful neutralizer at the bottom of your feet. So all together, this is what it looks like from top to bottom. And then if we take a look from the back, this is what it looks like, just a plain pink. And now for the very last outfit, I have a very different fit. This one is a reflective 2-piece. This one's a lot more trendy and sporty. The other ones were a little bit more girly. I did have to add a little bit of girliness with these pumps. These are some black gold pumps. I love these so much. So they are black and then they have that shebang in the back. That is my favorite part. It looks like designer, super bougie, and there's my dog. How expensive do these look, but actually you are balling on a budget thanks to shoedazzle. These are amazing. I think that these have to be one of my favorite pairs. I think I'm like really tied between these black ones and the white ones. You guys decide in the comments down below. So again, here's the outfit from the front, and then we have the outfits from the back. But before we go, we do have to take a moment of appreciation of what it looks like when the flash hits this outfit. So let's turn off the lights and turn on my flash. This is without flash, and then this is with flash. Talk about reflective AF. Oh my goodness, this is freaking crazy. You will literally reflect all the way out to outer space. So after trying on all three outfits, I finally came to my conclusion of what I'm going to wear, and it is this tan two-piece with the beautiful majestic white and gold pumps. I'm so excited to wear this out with my ladies today. And now let's move on to the makeup portion. And also guys, do not forget to click down in the link down below to get your special offer. shoedazzle is amazing. Why would you not want to sign up with them? Make sure to enter your email because you guys will get exclusive discounts and always be in the know. And with that, I can now move on to my makeup. I always love figuring out what I'm going to be wearing first, just so I can kind of configure what I'm going to be wearing on my eyes, just to kind of go with my outfits. I already prepped my face with my foundation, my concealer, my powder, everything, so we have the base on. And I also do have eyelash extensions. I get them from the one and only Lashed by Cindy. She will be right here and down below, and she does amazing lashes. So let me just show you guys quickly what I did use for my base, because I know a lot of you are going to be wondering what I did use, and then we can move on to bronzer, blush, eyeshadow, all that good stuff. Seriously, the only thing that I have been using for my eyebrows for like the past 2 years is the LA Girl Shady Slim Brow Pencil. This stuff is my holy grail, and I have a big pack here because I just ordered a big one since I'm running out like hot cakes. Since I do have very blonde hair, I do like to stay with my soft brown shade, and this stuff is just amazing, guys. The precision, the creaminess, everything, the blendability is amazing. And also do not forget that I do have a code Aidette10. It'll be right here and also down below for you guys. And another must-have that I have been using for years and years is the banana powder by LA Girl. Of course, this stuff gives me zero flashback. And for the foundation, I did use the LA Girl matte foundation. It is very mattifying and it'll keep you matte throughout the entire day. So on a daily basis, I love to have a super bronzed face, especially if I'm going to be taking pictures, which of course today I will be. I love looking like a bronzed goddess in my pictures, guys, so I'm always super bronzed when it comes to the face. So this is the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil. You guys can obviously already see the difference right here. I look very bronzed, and this one looks kind of flat, not much definition. And now suddenly we look like bronze goddesses, and I'm gonna be going in with a peachy blush. These are my favorite types of blushes. They're so natural, very pretty, very subtle, but like also still there and gives you a nice subtle flush. It's also for my signature look that I use for whenever I go out with some friends during the day is of course a burnt orange look. So today I'm going to be doing more of like a simple look because I want the whole attention to be on my outfit that I showed you guys earlier. So of course I'm first going to be going in with a nude shade on a fluffy brush. By the way, this is the Morphe M518. I use this one very often. It just does the job. It's very quick and easy. So putting in that cream shade right in here, it kind of has like a peachy undertone, and this just adds balance just so it doesn't look like the bottom is bald. I always do not like when my eyeshadows look bald on the bottom. It just makes me look so odd in my opinion. And now moving on to like a brick-ish muted red. I'm going to be placing that over top of the transition, a little bit lower though, just so the transition is still poking out over top. Guys, the thing that I really love about eyelash extensions is that it takes 20 minutes off of my getting ready, and that's crazy to me because I never really expected that. Putting on mascara, waiting for the eyelashes to dry down and cutting them took a whole 20 minutes. Very sunken in romantic eye look, and I love that, just so you always look very flirty. I love that look. The thing that I also really like about doing simple looks like this, if you add on a big dramatic pair of falsies like these eyelashes that I have right now, it looks like you spend hours and hours on your look when it was really just like a slap of some colors on the lids and you're good to go. So I'm just gonna keep adding a little bit more of this color until I get the desired look. And with that same shade, I'm gonna be taking it on a pencil brush and just running it on my lower lash, again just to add some balance. I've been doing makeup for so long that I can do makeup without even looking. Like, I just know the shape of my eyeball by now. And now the last color to deepen up the eye, I will be taking a more brownish orange shade, and this will be going right into the socket of our eye, and this is just gonna deepen up the look. This look right here is very versatile. Like, you could use it for during the day, or you could even add a little bit more deeper colors just to make it a day to night look. And lastly, of course, adding that same color onto my lower lash line, and we are basically done. After that, we're just going to be putting on a cream shade onto the brow bone just to lighten everything up. And now I'll be adding some mascara to my lower lash line just to add to the smokiness of the eyes. So I'll be taking this one by LA Girl called the Oomphed Maximum Volume Mascara. This mascara does wonders for the lashes. And for my lip combo, I'm going to be using these three from LA Girl. I'm using the lip liner in the shade Cafe, which is my favorite lip liner from them. So amazing, goes with every look. And then on top of that, I'll be using more of like a creamy lipstick. This is their Lipify Stylo in the shade Dreamer. And on top, we are going to be doing a glossy lip. So I'm going to be taking their gloss topper in the shade Clear. This color right here is amazing, so let's just see how even better it looks with this gloss on. So thank you so much for watching this makeup portion. Now let's move on to the makeup plus outfit together, and let's watch this slay. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to give me a thumbs up and also subscribe. Do not forget to go and get your 70% off offer in the link down below, and also the chance to get as low as $10 shoes. So hurry up, click that link down below, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.